Today I'll show you how to create a stunning shop page that will help you convert your visitors. It's super simple. We will use a free template, customize it a little to suit our site's visual language, and then I'll show you how to edit the product live from the front end, like changing the description, price, category, and more without going back to WooCommerce. Yes, it's really cool and you're gonna love it. So let's begin. So I'll go to my WordPress dashboard and look for Elementor. Install and activate it. Now let's look for the second plugin. Here it is. Let's install and activate this too. Now, before we begin creating a custom product page, we need to do two things. First, go to this website and download the free version of Product Editor. Now go back to your WordPress, upload the plugin and select the plugin like this. Just click on install and then activate it. Second, on your left panel, hover over Shop Engine and select widgets. Now enable all the free ones, then go up and click Save Changes. Now click Builder Templates and it will take you to this page. Click the Add New button here and it opens this pop-up from the right. I'll go ahead and name it. Below, you can also see some pre-made templates that are pretty good for saving time. You can use one, but you'll still need to edit it. So if you want to save time, you can select a template and then follow the next steps I'll cover. For now, I'll select a blank page. That way I can give you a better idea of the widgets available and how you can personalize your design. Next, I'll toggle this activation button to switch it on and then save it using this button on the bottom right. Now I can see the template I just made listed here and it's active. On it, I'll click Edit with Elementor. It gives me another pop-up and asks me to pick a product. For now, I'll pick this one. But don't worry, even though I'm selecting just one product here, this template we are creating will apply to all the products on my website. So now I'm on my blank page on Elementor where I need to build my template. First, I'll click this plus icon here to add a row container. I'll put a notice widget here so my customers can be alerted when they add something to the cart. So I'll use the sidebar and search for the notice widget. Let's drag and drop it into the box like this. I'll then adjust the width directly by dragging its edge or using the width slider in the left sidebar. Next, we need a product. Product pages generally have a left-right split layout. So I'll click on this plus icon to add a new container and select the split in two layout. So in the left sidebar, I'll select the product images widget and drag it into the left box. Now I can use the options in the sidebar to edit the photo. For example, I'll switch to the style tab in the sidebar and then change the border radius to give the image rounded edges. Okay, I'll adjust it to 10. Similarly, you can add different widgets and create the product page. Alright, now let's set up other elements of a shop page. First, let's drag the product category from here and then from the left, you can change the style and select the category. Next, drag the product title and from here, you can change its size, alignment, color and typography. I'll keep them as they are, but you can pause the video and customize it if you want. Now, for the ratings, drag the product rating widget. Awesome. We should now add a product price. So again, drag the product price widget just below this. From the left, you can change alignment, color and spacing. So go ahead and make your changes. Next, I'll drag the product description widget and from the left, you can change its color, typography and align it as per your needs. Now let's quickly add our add to cart button. And from here, you can change the button style, show the status of product and show all these small features if you want. As I want my page neat and clean, I'll avoid these. Okay, we are almost done. Now to show credibility of your product, it's always a good idea to add reviews or comments. So let's drag the product review here. From the left, you can change the color, add margins for spacing, change the style, add forms or a submit button to make your review section more interactive. Moving on to the last section. Another good idea to increase sales is to suggest more products on your product page. So I'll quickly drag the related product widget. And from the left, you can change all these settings. And we're done. Now all that's left to do is hit update here at the bottom of the sidebar. Great, our product page is live. Let's go back to the product page and check it out. Alright, as you can see, my custom template has been applied to all the products. But what if you need to make any changes to the product itself? Let's say I want to change the description or the price of the product. Well then, I would have to go back to the dashboard and change the details from there. But what if you could edit the page live at the front end without going back to the dashboard? Remember the product editor we installed earlier? You might have noticed an edit button here. And if you click on it, you can easily edit your shop page live in just a few minutes. First, you can change the product name from here. The second and third options are to edit the description and short description, which I'm going to keep as it is. Next, I want to show the plant on the website shop as well as on the results. So I'll select this option. I'm going to enable this is featured option, which is going to showcase the plant on the website and in the search results. Now let's check the category for this plant. As you can see, it's categorized under large plants, so I'll leave it as is. Moving on, I'm going to add some relevant tags for the plant like this. Then let's change the price of the plant. So click on the price. I'm going to edit the current price to this. And who doesn't love a sale? So I'm going to add a sale price as well. I can schedule the sale here, and all I have to do is pick a start and end date for the sale. So I'll do that quickly and done. Similarly, you can make a lot of changes like this right at the front end, like setting the stock quantity, setting it out of stock or in stock, and add the shipping details from here. Amazing, right? Okay, I'm done with the edits, and this is what the final product page looks like. See how easy that was. I don't have to use the dashboard or run any updates every time I make a change. I can make and customize my shop page anytime to increase sales and give my customers an amazing shopping experience so that they can visit again. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.